What's good with y'all? What's going on? What's happening? How everybody doing? I guess you're all a profitable week, even though it was a break-even one. But while I'm always bad and while I'm always play for y'all is to have a productive, consistent, mind-blowing, psychologically fit, and a positive training week. You understand? So it's a boy hard, you understand, man. I'm back again with another video. So there's gonna be a breakdown trade. I know it's been a while since I had a breakdown of how I took a potential 103, 104, 101, 120, 125, 1 to 100. That's coming soon. So it's a breakdown of how I took a trade on wifey. Like wifey kept blessing me, wifey kept giving me jams, and wifey forever got my life moving too clean and too fast. I can see the boy too fly. Y'all can't see me. I'm clean. I'm healthy. I'm wealthy. I'm protected. I'm fresh. I'm just consistent. Yeah, there's gonna be a breakdown of how I took a trade on an ass. How I took a 1 2. This is a 1 2 4. This is a clean 1 2 4. But unfortunately, we got tackled on a 1 2 1 because okay, this was a clean. I took a clean 1 2 4 trade, risk reward, clean 1 2 4 RR on the NAS, a short trade on the NAS. We had to close on the 1 2 1 because we had high volume fundamentals, like high volume fundamentals, CPR, nah, ECB. We had the ECB, we had GDP for the US, and I think we had initial claims for every week. Yeah, those are the three fundamentals that you had. So I wasn't comfortable being in the street, like, you know what, I'm holding it. I needed to move the weight, I have to move. But because I'd rather take my guap than to give back all my gains. Because now when I have to break down this trade, this happens strictly on the hourly time frame, no 4 hour, no daily, strictly the hourly time frame because this is the best time frame I ever trade on. So like looking at the overall, because this doesn't just come from anything. Understand? Looking at the overall, we can tell the NAS is still in a bear move. Price has been having this clean brick wall to support it as a diagonal resistance or as a brick wall to look for short trades. So we had 1 2 3. So now if you can see that we have we have this intraday resistance or this major resistance. I don't know what you can call it, or this demand or the supply zone, you SMC traders, I don't know. But to me, it's a clean resistance. Price was holding support till it broke out, retested below, giving us a new resistance, came back again, resistance, came back, resistance. So now, obviously, on price, what I confirmed this trade with, it was that, okay, price broke out of our break wall, tapped on our resistance and broke back in, tried to break out again and broke back in, meaning that we're holding the zone. That was a clean zone to hold. I don't know how to start it from, but yeah, you can say this was a clean zone to look for yourselves, or this was a clean zone to look for yourselves, or this was just a clean zone to look for your bear continuations. So to my side, or to me, I saw okay, price has been moving sideways. Boom, boom. You understand? So from this push, price exhausted, pushed again, moved sideways, broke out, broke back in, broke out, broke back in, broke out, broke back in, and broke below to continue moving to the downside. Like this is what I always do. This is what I always wake up to do. This is what I will always stress about. This is what I will always speak about. I don't know what other traders will be telling you about, or what they will be telling you, or what you'll be learning, but break out, break back in, fail to break, resistance, support, break of structure, break of current price, close below, close above. You take your continuation trades. There's many ways to look for trades, but there's only one way to take a trade. I hope someone understands that. So now, because I was focusing on this one, I was like, price pushed, exhausted, broke out, retested, and continued to the downside. But to how I took a trade, this is super fantastic. So we have this price has been holding this low, like the zone, like I did indicate. You understand? This zone as some correction, price has been moving sideways on, you understand? Until now on my current price, I had this low, you understand? And I had what price breaking out. So this is this is a bit different. Well, I don't know how to explain it. Okay, let me not say I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just looking for a simple way to make someone understand this. So we have a correction, right? Apart from this law, apart from this law which broke out of this correction and broke back in, we have this correction price closed above below that's very same zone and we had this low. You understand? So with this low and this candle close, with a bullish candle and a bear close, you understand? So now this is the pre-London candle boom, and this is the London open, and this is the hour after the London trading session. You understand? When now it's the trading session, price open bullish to indicate that we are holding this zone because price tried to break out and close back in inside those very same rejections. Now, once price opened bullish and closed bearish, that was like confirmation to me that you know what, if price fails to break this low, it would rather take me out and I might accept it and it will be a no trading day for me. But fortunately now price did what impulsively broke out of this low and closed above this very same correction, closed outside that very same correction or this zone. So now once price closed on this very same boom, we were holding a like 52 pips. So when I now saw the like we're having fundamentals now from this candle coming this candle, you understand? And on fundamental time, 14:30, which is like I don't know how what time is it. I think it's 8:30 in New York. This candle was like, you know what, I'm not comfortable, or I'd rather close my trades than hold a trade which I don't know if the market might be bullish on, or I'd rather take my partials and just let the market play out and it will be it for the day. So now on this candle, and price didn't take me out. If you can look at it, price didn't take me out on stop loss because I was looking for a clean 47 pip move for 47 pip stop loss. So now once price now boom hit this candle. Now if you can check that this candle tried closing inside but closed outside this very same correction. The open candle of the London of the New York session did like I don't know what it did, just moving some BS, or this was just clean. Understand? This was just like push phase and an exhaustion for push phase continuation to the downside. So taking this trade, I wasn't wrong. Closing this trade, I would say I was wrong, but at the same time, I wasn't wrong. But all I can say is if you're comfortable holding trades when there's high volume fundamentals, that's up to you. I prefer taking my guap and just be by my day. Understand? So I've never traded GDP fundamentals. I don't trade fundamentals, but I've never saw the movement of the GDP, and I don't understand the ECB fundamental movement on the market. So this is how I took the trade. You understand? We had a close. Okay, I think it's 4 points. First point is price tapped on our brick wall, a third touch after a long time. Second is price tapped on our resistance and failed to break and continued bearish. The third one is price was having a correction, which was having a correction, which it closed above, no, which it closed below that very same correction. And we had an impulsive continuation candle to the downside. So this is it, you understand? We could have had like We could have had like a 200 a 200 pip or a target of a 200 pips move to the downside because that was what I was looking for. Or yeah, that's what I was looking for, I'd say. And at the same time, I did close a one-to-one, which was also equivalent to like taking profits. So this is how I took a trade. This is why I took this trade. And this is why I always wake up to do this. So I don't know what to do apart from this. And I don't know how to explain it apart from this. So it's your boy Harlem. It's your boy Harlem. I'll be back on my Outlook like I always am. My program is still up and running from the 1st of November. So you can DM me, text me, do anything. And that's all I got on this video, man. That's all I got, man. I guess you all had a profitable week, even though it was a break-even week, like my side. I had a break-even week. So yeah, that's all I got, man, this video, man. COT till I DIE. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out.